everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get secondary colors 9, 21, 38, 40, 48, 52, 70, 83, and 98 in Geometry Dash. So let's start with the step number 1, which is to go to the icon kit and select the secondary color option. So from here you will see a grid of numbered colors, so many of which are locked colors, which is the 9, 21, 38, and etc. So these colors require special unlock methods. So step number 2 is some secondary colors unlock by beating the demon difficulty levels. So keep on playing and beating the demons to unlock more colors like color 21 and color 38. Next up is map packs reward you with secondary colors upon completion. So you can check the rewards before starting a pack to see which colors you can earn, including the colors 40 and 48. Next up is some colors like 52, 70, 83, and 98 are hidden in a secret vault area, so make sure that you look for hidden buttons, complete vault puzzles, and enter secret codes to unlock these rare colors. And lastly, just keep on playing and exploring, so each time that you meet the requirements, you will unlock a new secondary colors, so congratulations on expanding your color palette. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!